Hi guys, today I will show you how to download Instagram pictures in full HD resolution. So first you're gonna need to do is you need to download this application, Instagram Downloader. So go to the Play Store and search for the Fast Saver Images and Video Download for Instagram. When you download it, go back to the Instagram. Find some picture you wanna download. I will take this and click here. Um, no, this is an ad. Um, I will take this picture. Click here and click copy link. Go back to the Fast Saver Instagram Downloader. Open and click Instapost Downloader. So you will click here paste and save image. Go back to your gallery and this picture will be in the others. Yeah, here Instagram download, and there is in full HD. So if you wanna download the video, you're gonna go to the Instagram, find some video you wanna download. I will take this, copy link, go back to your app, Instagram downloader, click here Insta Post downloader and click paste. Save video, go back to your gallery, and there is a video. So that's it for today. If you like my video, subscribe and share, and see ya.